This workflow can automate your podcast creation. So you can automate your podcast creation for every day. Simply you can schedule it and click on every day and just save it. Congrats on maxing out the free plan. The limit. Okay. This is the error. So you can schedule it for every day, regular interval every day, so it can automatically just save it and just save it now. So it can automatically create podcast for you every day on the daily basis. So you can download it and upload it on your channel. Some basic editing. If you want directly upload on YouTube or Spotify, you can also automate that. So this is the Google Sync. This is the repeater function, so it can repeat it. So also explain you repeat function, so it can repeat 10 times. So I have only 10 sheet in my Google Sheet. Here you can see this is the title description, so it can repeat 10 times. So if you want to generate 100 podcasts, so you can simply use, I think, which one, simply add 100, so it can generate 100 podcasts for you and just save it. Just hit 100, so it can repeat 100 times. I have only 10 podcasts in my list, so I simply save it 10, and then it can escape Google Sheet file. So I already give you a prompt in my Gumroad account. You can see I provide everything in Gumroad for you, and I simply go to content. You can see this is the prompt that you use to generate podcast. Here you can see I simply paste it and I generate podcast on the topic of water, and this is the title and description of the podcast, and then I paste it in Google Sheet. Here you can see I have also shared the link of Google Sheet. This is the title and description and the status of the podcast, it is done or not. Let's go to make.com and select your account, click on the add button, or then make it copy, click on a file button, then click on a make a copy and click on a make a copy. So you can remove this and click on a make a copy, so it can copy this and look like this. I don't want to copy. And then connect to your account, click on add button and click on sign up with Google, so it can connect to your account and choose your account. You can copy it. And then is the next part, select from our podcast automation, and so we need to select sheet ID. So we need to search ID like podcast automation, so its name is, so it can simply click on podcast automation, so it can select it. Table content header, yes, and everything is okay. Status to do, and the limit is 1, so you can one task at a one time. Just save it. Then we go to ChatGPT. If you don't have anything like crazy money, if you don't want to spend, use Gemini give us something like free credit, and we use any model like use GPT 4.0 system. If you use cheap one, then go to GPT 4.1 Nano, and this is the prompt that is already added in your workflow. You don't need to add an extra thing. So this is the, you simply need to change your, please write up 2-3 minute script for this topic on, you simply write, and this is the data from drag from Google Sheet, and this is the description, and this is the host name that I write my name, and you can play with this in your way and just save it. And then we go to ElevenLabs. We simply need to add our account. For adding account, click on add button, then go to ElevenLabs, and this is the URL of getting API key. I just set up it now, but I simply close it. You don't use my API key anything. Go to setting, go to API key, click on this, click on create API key, and click text to speech. We only want to click on HSS, text to speech, and the user will be, click on read and write or read only, so it can speak. I simply use read and write. Simply copy our API key and just go here and just paste it and just save it. if you don't add a permission of it, you can get a error, so it can't. So we can drag our script from here to here, and you want to play with stability, similar boost, you can play with. Low value are recommended to it background. You can read it. High enhancement boost overall voice clarity. Decrease the stability can make your expressive with output. You can play with. This is a tool you can play with. Then we connect our Dropbox account here. We simply need to click on add and authorize your account, and everything is okay. So if you connect to a Dropbox account, so it can upload our script, upload our podcast on Dropbox. Then go to Google Sheet, so it can update our to-do list. Podcast automation, and that can automate, like it can update our status. This is to-do list, and then it go to done option. You can see this is not to do, it will done with, go to done option. Let's go back and run this workflow one time. Click on a save and click on a schedule, so it can run every day. Click on a run once and see the output. Now it is generating ChatGPT generating podcast for us. I think the operation failed with 401 error. A status detected, unusual activity, message, unusual activated, free trial usage disabled. If you are using a proxy or VPN, might need to purchase a paid plan. Okay. So ElevenLabs is doesn't working. So if you have a paid plan, so it can work. I doesn't have any paid plan, so it can't work on me, I think. So use alternative native of that. If you want to continue with ElevenLabs, you can go with. If you don't have anything like money or anything, you don't want to use ElevenLabs, you can find cheaper one. It costs you too much. Then I find a website, can forget name, ElevenLabs, I can forget a website, ElevenLabs alternative. Let's see the website name. Play it assembly. I think this is not, I'm logging what, Synthesia Hazen. You can use also of this. Specify. I can forget that I use my video on Unity and to text to speech model. Let's say it is available or not. That voice was also good, and that was also affordable for us. Playhead, script, logo, center. Let's go to Po and Pi. I can find it from here. I think the website name is Unreal Speech, something like that. On I think this Unreal Speech. You can see. Just go here, and this is 11x cheaper than ElevenLabs, and the pricing is too affordable. When it is launching, it gives us 420 hours free speech. You can see it is giving on when it is launching, it gives 420 hours launching free voiceover. Now I can show you pricing. Now it is based on, you can see it can give us 6 hours now voice and 250 character on the free plan with the API also. If you go with paid plan, so it can give us, this is only $5 a month and giving around 67 hours of audio with 3 million character. We can see that this is the too affordable price with creating a podcast. 1 billion character volume discount. This is the legend price. Now go to the, you can, I already signed up this website. See, this is the see, this is available on ElevenLabs or not. If not, I can set up you, I can guide you with HTTP on real HTTP request to set up this on real. I think it is not available. Use the institute web to connect it. Let's remove the ElevenLab. If you have anything like credit, click on delete module. Let's delete one and go back here and connect to this one. We set up our institute request and go here and go to API docs. I don't want to reveal my API, but you can I leak my API. So if you don't want to leak API, you can make a request. If you are a YouTube creator, you can set up API key on the again. Let's go here and I can guide you. So it is loading now, and this is the here I am looking. Click on view more, and this is the call header text, and this is the let's copy this. Let's see what is this for. Meeting migration parameter. This is the voice model that is available. You can use any voice ID. And this is for parameter detail, authorization, view more, audio format MP3, output format URI, sentences, timestamp, sentence. Okay, you can see this is a great. Let's guide you. I continue with first one. Example of request for this is for stream. I think this is for stream. Click on view more. Yes, you can also use stream. I don't go with stream. I simply go with post. The method will be post, and let's go with this. Let's copy this. You can see the method will be post for this one. Go to mac.com, simply paste this. The method will be post. Click on a post, click on add a header, and go here and click on authorization. Simply copy this, go back to Mac, just paste it. I can provide also this workflow, you can use that. Just copy the mirror, go to API key section, just paste it and space, and go to Unreal speech and go to the API section, go to studio, click on, I think I need a API, click on here, click on get a API key, so you can also hear the voice, how the awesome is voice here. This is crazy voice, and this is the character. ElevenLabs give us only 10,000, but it can give us more than of that. So go to the API is available on the developer version. Simply copy this and go back to our mac.com. Make sure it doesn't use me. Simply paste it and simply cross this, not cross this, click on, simply cross the query string and go to body type and go to raw content type json.application and request content. Simply paste it from here to here. Simply copy this, go back to make, paste that. Okay, let's see what thing I need to remove. I think it is not a scrolling voice ID. Okay, let's forget voice ID and remove it. Let's remove it and drag our text. The text will be this result. Okay, drag it here, and the voice ID you can use any voice ID. So if you like, let's continue with the demo one, but here is the voice ID I can show you. Here is the voice. Simply copy any. For Hindi this is, for Italian this is, for Portuguese copy any that. Female this is for male. Let's go with Rowan. What is the name? Simply copy that and I use that. Simply paste it and just save it. Let's copy the script and generate a voice. Okay, this is the output bundle. Click on the result and I simply copy this. I think I don't copy that much. Simply copy the first line only. It take a time to get a output. Click on here, click on run this module only and go here and just simply paste the output. Click on OK and see I have got any output. Yes. Let's click on this, go here. So it can, I forget to click on preface response. Click on a save. See you how this is fast, how much this is fast. Let's click on run this module only and simply paste the result. Click on OK and we see the output. Go to data and the output URL this way. Let's listen. I can show you the music, what is the audio quality. Let's copy that. I open this and you can also listen what is the voice.
Hi everyone, I want to take you on a fascinating journey, the secret life of a single raindrop. Ever wonder what happens from the moment a drop forms high up in a cloud to when it finally reaches the ground? Well, buckle up because it's more incredible than you might think.
You can see what is the voice, dangerous voice, awesome voice. You can listen that. It gave us voice like ElevenLabs. You can also clone that voice on this platform. Now you can simply paste. If you want to just download the voice, you can add this on a Google Sheet also. Click on a plus button and create a new sheet and you can add your voice also there. Let's guide you here. Click on update or row and I simply go to my sheet and I simply output as a here. I simply click on voice. Output. So you can download from also here. You can also I can also show you how can you upload in Google Drive also. And I think S testers, and this is the D. Let's give the output URL. Simply paste it here so it can also save it here. For saving this in Dropbox, simply only click on add a router. Don't add a router. Click on delete module, plus button, go to HTTP, click on get or download file from given URL, and simply paste the URL here. And go here and drag the output URL here. Just save it. Let's connect it. We can see it is successfully connected with this module. So let's run it and see the output. Click on this, click on run this module only. Just provide the output URL, and this I provide the output. So it gave us data in binary form. You can see that 0 1. Okay, not 0 1, it is also 5 5. So go to here, click on get file on HTTP file, just save it. Click on run once, and I can show you everything. ChatGPT creating a script for us. Okay, we got an error. Let's see what is. Okay, this is the what type of error I got. This is the error from 11 on real speech. Let's see what is the error I got. Missing data. Are you posting a JSON? Missing data. Are you posting a JSON in your request body? Okay, this is on JSON format. So we got an error. We don't need a JSON. So it is giving us output as JSON. We don't need that. We simply tell ChatGPT and simply tell output in text. Let's click the max completion token limit like 250 characters. I don't want to go with. You can continue with as much as you. I can remove it now. Click on run once. So it go as fast. I think we got again error. Click on open log. Are you posting a JSON in your request body? So we got error again. This model can paste. Let's tell output as a JSON, and simply just remove the max completion limit. So advanced setting, temperature will be 1. Okay, response format will be, let's go with JSON, and click on paraphrase. Just save it. I think everything is fine. Just save it. Click on run once and see the output. Okay, let's remove the JSON. I simply okay, just remove the JSON result and simply drag as a script. Just save it. Click on run once again. Let's click on add a router, not add a router. We set a variable for this. Click on the plus button, go with the set module. Let's go with text editor, something like text. Go somewhere. HTML match pattern replace. Here is the function called tool that I am looking. जो 10 मिनट बाद आइए जो
बुझले ई कथी छै
10 मिनट बाद आइए
तू तो बुझे ई कथी छै
कबन तरह तू जानो गेलिए
न कहू
मम्मी को बुलाया था हमरा Jono save. Just connect put this to this one. Let's drag the script from some here and just save it. Just save it. Click on run once and see the waiting for output.
देखाई तो होता
अरे जयप्रकाश
वो तो देखाई ना का उम्मीद करती का
देखा दीजिए ओके बाय